we received $1 million grant, so $250,000 each year for 4 years. The ability to receive that funding, I think, catapulted us into a different level where we're able to hire staff that could sit down and their exclusive job was to think through how are they working with our partners, how are they working in the system to understand this challenge and drive particular solutions. At the time, I would say Black Health Alliance was a grassroots group, but working with more established partners like CAMH and Tailu Community Health Centers to think through and do this work. And I think that we were the right collective, because in some sense, you needed Black community organizations to take a lead on this work. Again, lots of it is connecting with community. Lots of it is thinking about how we're interpreting what we're hearing from communities to build solutions that are effective. We were able to work with the provincial government to make investments specifically to increase access to mental health services for Black youth. One of the key outputs of the project, or impacts of the project, if you will, has been the expansion of a program that's been designed to support Black youth and mental health and addiction specifically. It's called the SAPACY program. It's based at the Center for Addiction and Mental Health. And through the project, we were able to do significant policy work and get the work with the provincial government to increase the funding allocated to that program to create not just one site, but 7 sites across the province: Windsor, Hamilton, Peel, Toronto, and Ottawa. That initial investment was like a key unlocking moment for us, where we're able to get that first initial bit of staff to start and support community-based advocacy. Subsequently after that, the federal government created a specific fund. We were also funded for this project through that. And so I think, our ability to organize ourselves as an organization, the infrastructure, the staffing of the organization to continue to support that work is the impact of that is the word that comes to mind is immeasurable.